Welcome back to AVP Auto. Today we've got something seriously special lined up for you, a full hands-on review of the 2025 Dacia Dokker Sandman 4x4 camper van. This is one of those hidden gems that's turning heads in the camper community, not just because of its rugged looks or compact design, but because it brings an incredible balance between affordability, off-road capability, and smart camper functionality. Whether you're new to van life or looking for a reliable, go-anywhere camper that won't break the bank, the Dokker Sandman might just be your perfect match. So, let's jump straight into the design. At first glance, the 2025 Sandman looks like a toughened-up version of the standard Dokker, but it's way more than just a facelift. The exterior is decked out in a matte graphite gray wrap, paired with blacked-out detailing that gives it a stealthy, rugged vibe. Raised suspension, black alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, roof-mounted LED light bars, a snorkel for water crossings, and robust skid plates underneath. All these upgrades give the Sandman real off-road credibility. Plus, the front bumper has been redesigned to improve approach angles, which is something overlanders will absolutely appreciate. Under the hood, Dacia's equipped the Sandman with a 1.5-liter blue DCI diesel engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and an intelligent 4x4 system developed in collaboration with Renault's off-road division. Now, we know what you might be thinking. 1.5 liters sounds tiny, but this engine is surprisingly punchy. It delivers around 115 horsepower and 270 Nm of torque, which is more than enough to get this lightweight camper van through mud, sand, or steep inclines. And the best part? It's incredibly fuel efficient for a 4x4 van. On average, you can expect around 6.2 liters per 100 kilometers, which is about 38 miles per gallon. Yes, even while fully loaded for a trip. Let's open up the sliding door and step inside, because the real magic of the Sandman is in the interior transformation. The layout is smart, modular, and clearly designed by people who understand life on the road. You've got a 2-seat front cabin, which swivels to face the living space when parked. Then there's a compact kitchenette along the driver's side wall, complete with a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner gas stove, and a 35-liter compressor fridge that runs off the 12V battery system. Right across from that is a fold-out table and a bench that converts into a surprisingly spacious bed for two. The wood finish is Scandinavian-inspired, light tones, clean lines, and minimal clutter. Overhead cabinets run along both sides of the van, giving you enough storage for weekend trips or even extended journeys if you pack smart. And yes, the van has thermal and acoustic insulation throughout, so you'll stay warm in winter and cool in summer. One of the standout features is the electrical system. The Sandman comes pre-wired with a 100Ah lithium battery, a 200-watt solar panel mounted on the roof, and a smart charge controller. There's even an inverter with 220 volts output, meaning you can plug in a laptop, charge drones, or even brew your coffee with an espresso machine while watching the sunrise. USB ports are built into the walls, and ambient LED lighting creates a cozy atmosphere when you're winding down at night. And then there's the roof. Instead of a pop-top, which would have added height and complexity, Dacia went with a fixed-height stealth roofline, but included a modular rooftop storage pod that doubles as a pull-out awning. That's right, just unclip it and you've got instant shade for your outdoor setup. The rear hatch opens to reveal additional storage compartments and a pull-out portable toilet that's discreetly hidden in a custom cabinet. We also have to talk about the drive experience. On paved roads, the Sandman handles like a compact SUV. Steering is light, the clutch is forgiving, and the visibility is excellent thanks to oversized mirrors and rear sensors. But take it off-road and it transforms. The all-wheel drive system kicks in smoothly, and the hill descent control makes steep, gravel-covered slopes a breeze. It's not a rock crawler, obviously, but for forest trails, mountain passes, or muddy campsites, it's totally at home. Now, if you're wondering about sleeping comfort, honestly, it's shockingly good. The memory foam mattress feels premium, and with blackout curtains and roof vent fans, the sleeping experience is quiet, dark, and well ventilated. There's also a built-in carbon monoxide detector, which shows that Dacia has really paid attention to safety. So, who's this van for? It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, or even digital nomads who want a go-anywhere mobile base without going the full Sprinter van route. It's compact enough to park in city centers, but rugged enough to explore national parks. And priced under €30,000 for the base 4x4 version, fully converted, it's one of the most affordable off-road camper vans you can buy in 2025. We took this van out for a 3-day trip across mixed terrain, city, highway, forest, and beach, and it never missed a beat. We had enough power to run all our gadgets, cooked fresh meals daily, and slept like babies each night. Setup time, less than 5 minutes. Tear down, about the same. It's the kind of van that invites spontaneous travel, where you don't need to plan every night because you know you're self-sufficient wherever you stop. In terms of upgrades, there are a few optional extras. You can spec it with a roof-mounted MaxxAir fan, rear bike rack, or even an integrated water heater system with an outdoor shower. But even in its standard configuration, the Sandman is road trip ready from day one. Let's quickly touch on what could be improved. The fridge is a little on the small side for longer trips, and the water tank could have been larger. Right now it holds about 20 liters, which is fine for a weekend, but a bit tight for extended living. And while the 4x4 system is solid, it's not low range, so if you're thinking about hardcore overlanding, this might not be the vehicle. But honestly, for 90% of camping and travel scenarios, it's more than capable. Overall, the 2025 Dacia Dokker Sandman 4x4 camper van punches way above its weight. It combines rugged off-road performance, smart interior design, and excellent efficiency in a compact footprint that's easy to drive and park. It's the kind of van that opens the door, literally, to adventure, freedom, and off-grid living, all at a price that makes van life accessible to a much wider audience. If you're just starting your van life journey or looking to downsize from a bulky RV, the Sandman deserves a serious look. Trust us, you won't find many vehicles that deliver this much capability, comfort, and charm for the money. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and of course, subscribe to AVP Auto for more real-world van reviews, travel tips, and camper life stories. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep exploring.